take you through the process of me replacing this to an unraveling power print. What you need is your frame, and you're going to need acid-free tape so your artwork doesn't yellow. And since I sell archival prints, they won't yellow as well, and they last a very long time. So go ahead and take your frame apart. Then you're going to rip off 2 pieces of tape for your placeholder. Not pressing down really hard. This is just going to help me to find where I want this artwork to stay. This particular print does not fit the frame of the mat, which is okay because you won't be able to see it. I'm just making sure I don't cut off any of the little edges on the sides, and the top and the bottom is fine with me because you won't be able to see it at a distance. Do a little bit of pressing down on the tape. Once you've placed your mat how you want it to go, then you're going to press down on the tape a little bit more and then add a larger piece of tape on top of the other small pieces that you chose earlier. And we're going to pop this right back into the frame. I love either white frames or like a light maple natural wood. That goes really well with my artwork. Also gold. You can't go wrong with gold. You can see the print through the mat here, even though it doesn't fit all the way. And you won't even be able to see that later. There you have it. I pop it right back into the frame, and then I'm just going to hang it up. Framing isn't that hard when it comes to paper prints or paper artwork. It's just about finding a mat that has the right opening and a frame that you love. And this is where I put unraveling power in my home. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and check out my other videos. Have a great day.